this. Oh, hey everybody. I'm sure you cannot see my knife today. Talk about concealment. Or I can just do this. Oh, there you go. I mean, oh, hey Carla, can I borrow your knife? Oh yeah, no problem. Okay, that's not gonna work. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am excited to review probably one of my favorite knives out there. It has to be. I mean, I'm sad saying that it's not my top number one, but it's so close. It must be my top number two. And that is the Espada XL by Cold Steel Knives with polished G10 and aluminum bolster and frame. This is beyond cool. It's just so insane, the size of this thing. You know, I have reviewed the Luzon, the large Luzon in the past, and I jokingly called it a pocket sword. And you guys told me, you need to get the Espada. Well, at that time, it was on my wish list, and I hadn't gotten it yet, but Cold Steel has given me this amazing knife to review, to share with you guys. I'm really excited to be working with Cold Steel knives, honestly, because I am able to review all these incredible ideas put into products. Cold Steel knives, they are ballsy in their designs. I always say this. They do what they want, and I appreciate that as a knife lover. So when I get a knife that's this different, that gives you such a statement piece, how can you not be in love with this? Can I carry this? Maybe if I go shopping for some massive cargo pants. But just for the insane factor of this knife, for me, this is a collectible, right? It's not something that I will EDC. It's something that I'm going to cherish in my collection and enjoy with the people that I love. Now, for you gigantors out there, you can possibly carry these knives. Let me give you sizes so that you can understand what we're talking here. I mean, hi everybody. Okay, size. So the blade length, I'll open it here in a second, but between the blade and the handle, we're looking at, let me do my math here really quick. We're talking almost a 17-inch knife open. However, handle length is 9¼ inches and the blade length is 7½ inches. It weighs 16 ounces. And yeah, we already talked about the handle and all that, and it has an S35 VN steel. Okay, so before I open it, again, this is brand new, okay? This is a brand new knife, came straight out of the box. I got it just 2 days ago, and it's freaking gorgeous. Look at this thing. I have already kind of put a bunch of fingers in the blade, so I don't want to touch it much for you guys to enjoy the overall factor, but the polished G10, you guys, it's smooth. It looks so good. Can you see that? It really does look amazing. The clip here has that satin finish. Again, massive pocket sword. So let's open it. Let's all enjoy the click right now. Are we guys ready? Actually, before I do this, let me show you how it actually gets deployed without doing the dumb way. So this way right here, you guys. So this is very similar to the Bram Frank opening system or the Emerson Wave in its action. So I'm going to try to show you guys. Why didn't I think of doing this before? Anyway, so you will have way larger pockets than I have, but the idea is that you would put it in your pocket and sort of like you would do on the Bram Frank, see how you can already feel it hooking to your fabric. So the idea here is that the knife will open. So think about how the blade opens before you do this. Don't be dumb. So if you actually pull this way, the blade is going to open like so. So it's going to cut me. So what I would probably do is open it backwards. What I would do. So I would carry it like this, right? If I had deep pockets. And then I will catch it onto here, and then it will open backwards. So away from your body, everybody. Okay, ready? And go. Woo! Oh my God! I'm so glad I did that. Why didn't I think about it before? I mean, it was an impromptu kind of like plan, but did you see that? I will make sure to like slow motion it so you guys get all the flavors. That was powerful.
Ready? And go.
Believe me, I have a lot of mechanisms and knives that open that way. That felt good to the point that, oh, hey, Serge. To the point that I really want to get some big pants to kind of make this happen. You guys, look at this thing. Again, I make everything look ginormous, but this is a gigantic freaking knife. Look at this thing. I mean, again, I should probably, excuse me, I'm going to try to clean it up just a little bit because I want to make sure that it has a bunch of fingers and stuff. Because I want to really show you the blade. There we go. Okay, check that out, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I am impressed that you can have a folder that's like this. So let's talk about, how you can actually carry this, or why would you own a knife like this? Well, this is clearly, oh, excuse me, clearly a self-defense tactical knife, right? So you deploy this thing. Look at the distance between the handle and the blade. I mean, this can intimidate freaking anyone. You can just throw it closed like a brick and hit someone in the head if that's that's what you want. But besides that, right, the length, I mean, look at this, right? If I hold it at the top of the handle, I have 10-12 inches of distance between me and my opponent. If you hold it down here, seriously, it looks like a kind of like a gun, like a shotgun type of deal. Amazing, honestly. I'm really impressed with this knife. It's incredible. I kind of want to display it open in my house, and yeah, it's a sweet one. It's a really sweet one that I know you guys wanted me to review. So there is another version of this knife that comes without the polished G10, so you get like a fully G10 handle. Some people prefer it not only because it's way more cost effective. It's about like $170 for the regular G10, and it's also, because it's a little less expensive and because of the entirety of the G10, then you don't have to scuff over here, if that makes sense, if you're actually gonna carry it. This knife is actually over $400, so it's up to you really whether this is meant to be a collection piece or if it's meant to be something that you're actually gonna be using. So that's kind of my take on this. So this one, again, right out of the box, it's been pretty hard to close, and you have to be really careful. Look at the size of this blade. It's incredibly sharp. So I have been honestly trying to be kind of mindful of that and the way that I'm closing this, because I really don't want to cut myself. That's why I'm just going to do it just the one time so you guys can see it. But honestly, absolutely incredible. I'm so happy I got to review this. If you guys want to get it, I have a code for Cold Steel. It's LittleFitDevil. You can get it at Cold Steel Knives. And yeah, I hope you are as excited as I am that I got to review this. Now that I have already closed it, I want to open it in a normal way so you can clear the click and how this beauty works. Ready? It's amazing, honestly. Really cool. Okay, guys. You can follow me on Instagram if you like. I have a Patreon and a Teespring store. All the links are going to be in the description of this video, especially if you want to get the Espada XL. You can also check out all my other cold steel knife reviews. I have plenty here on my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much for allowing me to do something that I love so much. And I'll see you guys again in another knife review or creative concealed carry idea. Have a great day.